Imagine a world where the medicines we rely on are not only produced faster, but with greater precision and personalization. This isn't just a distant dream, but a rapidly approaching reality, thanks to the wonders of smart manufacturing. This technology promises to revolutionize industries, particularly biotechnology and healthcare, by integrating advanced technologies such as artificial intelligence, robotics, and the Internet of Things. Smart manufacturing refers to the use of fully integrated, collaborative manufacturing systems that respond in real time to meet changing demands and conditions in the factory, in the supply network, and in customer needs. It is a leap beyond traditional automation because it connects every part of the production process. At its core, smart manufacturing utilizes big data analytics to enhance operational efficiency. Sensors collect data throughout the manufacturing process, which is then analyzed to optimize the production flow, reduce waste, and ensure product quality. This data-driven approach is what sets smart manufacturing apart from its predecessors. In the realm of biotechnology, smart manufacturing enables the production of pharmaceuticals to be more adaptable and precise. For example, the manufacturing of medications can be tailored to the specific genetic makeup of an individual, leading to what is often referred to as personalized medicine. This method not only increases the efficacy of treatments, but also minimizes side effects. Moreover, smart manufacturing facilitates the rapid production of vaccines, which is crucial during health emergencies such as pandemics. By using predictive analytics, manufacturers can anticipate demand spikes and scale production accordingly. This was particularly evident during the COVID-19 pandemic, where smart manufacturing technologies played a pivotal role in the swift global rollout of vaccines. In healthcare, smart manufacturing contributes to the development and production of medical devices. From prosthetics that better integrate with the human body to advanced diagnostic tools that provide faster and more accurate readings, the impact is profound. Robotics, a key component of smart manufacturing, allows for high-precision production, which is essential for complex devices like heart valves or miniature cameras for minimally invasive surgery. 3D printing, another innovative aspect of smart manufacturing, revolutionizes how prosthetics and implants are made. It allows for devices to be custom-built to the specific dimensions of a patient, improving comfort and functionality. This technology not only speeds up the production process, but also makes it more cost-effective. The integration of IoT devices in hospitals and clinics, facilitated by smart manufacturing, improves the tracking and management of medical assets, enhances patient care, and optimizes operations. These devices can monitor patient vitals in real time, manage inventory automatically, and ensure critical equipment is functioning efficiently. In summary, smart manufacturing marks a significant advancement in how products are made, with a particularly transformative impact on biotechnology and healthcare. It enhances the efficiency, customization, and speed of production processes, leading to better patient outcomes and more responsive healthcare solutions. As technology continues to evolve, the potential for further innovations in this field remains vast, promising even more remarkable advancements in the way we treat and manage health in the future.